Hey guys, welcome back to the Mama channel where you will see all things locks and all things motherhood. And today is going to be a video that I've been wanting to do for a long time, which is FlyLady with me. So I'm going to bring you guys along while you FlyLady with me today. Let's get started. I forgot to mention that one thing I did off camera before I got started this morning was that I got dressed to shoes. Not too fancy for today because I know I'm going to be like cleaning up and getting stuff ready for the week today. But I just have on like a t-shirt and like some jogging stuff. And then these are my FlyLady shoes. I only wear those shoes inside the house. I got them from Walmart for like $7. But those are my house shoes that are actually regular shoes. I just find that it's easier to do it that way. Alright guys, so as a part of my morning routine, the first thing I'm going to do is make my bed. If you haven't ever heard of the FlyLady, you have 3 different routines that you do throughout the day. One for the morning, one for afternoon, and one for the evening, in addition to zones that you tackle throughout the week. And so I'm just getting started this morning with making my bed, and then I'm just going to go down the list of the morning routine that I'm supposed to complete. One thing that I'm super grateful for in this house is that when we bought it, it was like abandoned. So we had to renovate the entire thing. So I got to do everything in the kitchen that I wanted to do within reason. And one of the things I did was make sure that all the bottom cabinets were drawers instead of having any actual like cabinets on the bottom except for under the sink. And so it made it to where putting up dishes was like super quick. So now I'm just going to get started. One of the things you're supposed to do is start a load of laundry. So I'm getting my load of laundry started here. And then I'm going to go and check my stuff to see if I have any zone work I can do. Alright guys, so that is it for my morning routine. Somebody wants to say hi. Say hi. Okay guys, so that is it for my morning routine. I did my switch and swipe, got dressed to shoes, made my bed, emptied out the dishwasher, and started a load of laundry. I think that's all I have to do. So now I'm going to look at my zoning. I actually normally do this like a little bit at a time throughout the week, but since my son is gone with my sister and it's just me and Noah, I'm going to look and see what the zones are for today and see if I can do anything in the zones before I hit my floors for today. So, all right, here we go. So I think the zone I'm going to go ahead and work on is my children's bedroom zone. I did my son's room last time, so I'm going to do my daughter's room this time. And as you can see, here's the list of all the things that you can do during that zone. And the key, honestly, that I found with FlyLady is that just do what you can in the time that you have. And it'll be better than nothing when it comes to tackling some of these cleaning and organization tasks. And your house will thank you for it. So I have about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and just like start tackling my daughter's room. She has a lot of stuffed animals and I wash them every other week, but she had an accident on her bed, so I went ahead and washed her blankets and all her like loveys and stuff that were affected yesterday. So now I'm just going to clear up her bed and start with cleaning out her room. I'm going to wash her actual like bed rail thing and get her bed made up and all of that good stuff. to take a break now because, oh my goodness, you can tell I've been raking my hands through my hair. I have to take a break now because Noah Grace really wants to play. And so, you know, you got to do what you can when you can. But I got her closet done. Okay, so I got the top of her closet done. And then I don't know why the recording shut off, but this is her dresser. I wiped it all down off camera and kind of like cleaned out from behind it with the vacuum. And I wiped everything down. So that's her dresser. I wiped her bed down. And then I reorganized her little reading tent. So I got that done. And that little poof thing around the edges, I'm actually going to put up on the wall. But I had to go get these command strips. And so when my husband gets off work, I'm going to have him help me put that on there. So really the only thing left to do in her room is to get this little pile of stuff up. And then I need to clean all the floors and go over any of the baseboards that I didn't get that were behind stuff. And then I discovered that her coats needed to be washed, and so I'll do an additional load today just to get her coats washed. We're not going anywhere today, but her coats were kind of icky. They were on the back of her door, but so they're in there. That'll be a tiny load that I do today. But yeah, so morning routine done, some of my zone done. If I get any more zone done today, hold on just a second, sister. If I get any more, hold on, because you're making a lot of noise. If I get any more zone done today, then I'll try to record it for you guys.
Just like we do. Keep walking, keep moving, keep your heart rate elevated, and you're gonna have so much fun. Yeah! So, when you're ready, let's do it!
I'm so tired.
So much fun, right?
15 minutes of loving activity done. Okay guys, it's the afternoon, so I am getting some food prepped for dinner. And so far I just have some rice here, as you guys can see. I already washed it. This is 2 cups of jasmine rice. And, I'm just gonna get 2 cups. It's a 1-to-1 ratio for the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna get 2 cups of water in here.
I will help you.
Just pour it in there. Alright, so it's a 1-to-1 ratio, like I said. So it's just 2 cups of rice to 2 cups of water. In my rice, I usually just put like a bay leaf. I got these from Sam's. Yeah, Sam's Club. And I'm gonna put some salt in here so it's not bland.
I want to do it.
You do?
I want it.
Okay, you can put the butter.
I want to do it.
Put the butter in there, and then I just put some butter, and that's all. So this is gonna go with some sauteed vegetables that I already made last night. Some zucchini and like 3 different types of peppers. No onions because my husband don't like onions. And then I'm just gonna put it in here and outside the Instant Pot and plug it in. And then literally all you have to do is just close it up. Yeah. Okay. Then you just, if you look here, after that you just push rice, and it's gonna cook. And while that's doing, I'm gonna take out the peppers and stuff. And I think I'm gonna put some beans in there too with the peppers. And then I got these from Trader Joe's. I need to use them up. These are sun-dried tomato chicken sausages. And my kids like them okay. So I'm gonna put these on the grill once the rice is ready to, almost ready. And then we're gonna have some burrito bowls. And I'll show you guys once they're done. Okay guys, so it's the afternoon, so I reset my laundry. I just took out that load that I made this morning and I put it in the dryer. And then I had one thing that I had to hang up. So, and I did my 15 minutes. I'm gonna drink another cup of water so I can check that off because we had lunch already. And then I'm gonna do my 15-minute decluttering. That's my timer. This is what I got done in the kitchen. Looks a lot better. This is the dining room. So I'm gonna use that as my 2-minute hotspot for later. And there is the living room. See, that stuff in the corner right there, stuff I'm getting ready to take for consignment.
No.
And then here is the entryway, right here. And then Sam helped me with the playroom, and he got as much as can be expected to done with a 6-year-old in 15 minutes because he kept stopping to play. Okay guys, so quiet time is over. My little visitor, Noah Grace, was the first one to wake up. She's having a little bit of screen time, don't mind me. I'm tagging stuff for consignment. So I'm gonna make her a snack, and then I'm gonna go wake up her brother so that he will go to sleep tonight. Okay, snacks are ready, just a little bit to hold him over till dinner. And I'm gonna get them some water, get them set at the table. So I should have shown you guys earlier, but this is what I prepped earlier when I did my evening routine. So it's just sauteed veggies that I made yesterday, some rice, those black beans that I made, the rice I made in the Instant Pot, and that over there is Trader Joe's chicken sausage. And I just mixed it all together It was pretty, but now I mixed it all together. And then I put some salsa on top of it. And then here's Max. He put a bunch of sour cream on his, and he doesn't eat the meat part. So it's just beans, veggies, and stuff. I wish it looked prettier. I should have thought of that before I mixed it up. But this is what my evening routine yielded for dinner tonight. Okay, so I'm doing my FlyLady evening routine. I got my son's lunch ready for tomorrow. He's extremely picky, so it is what it is. And then we just ate dinner, so I'm about to get my dishwasher ready. Okay, ladies, it's the end of the day. I have shined my sink, so it is nice and empty and clean. I have also gotten everything ready for tomorrow. So there's my son's lunchbox. All our clothes ready for tomorrow because my son has to go to school, so he got his uniform, what I'm gonna wear, what my daughter's gonna wear. And then all this stuff is stuff that I sold on Facebook today. I've been a busy girl, so I gotta go get all this packages shipped and drop these thingies of clothes off to people that bought them from me on Facebook. And then this little thing that Sam can't fit anymore. And so yeah, that's the stuff. The only thing I have left to do is to clean off my 2-minute clean. So I'm about to set my timer for 2 minutes and then try to clean off my drop zone right here. Okay, so I actually went over 2 minutes just a little bit, but I got plenty of stuff cleaned off of the counter here. The rest of the stuff that's actually on the table is my husband's. He's gonna take it with him to work tomorrow, and I'll wipe the table down tomorrow. But that's the end of my day, y'all. Sink shined, showers taken, clothes out, and it was very productive. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And also, if you want to see what I do as far as FlyLady whenever I actually have to be at work, because you know today's a Sunday, so it was a very free day, and normally we would have gone to church, but we had to quarantine today. So yeah, if you want to see a FlyLady full-time working mom FlyLady, then let me know, and I'll show you guys how I FlyLady when I have to work. Till next time, bye bye.